Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Enjin coin. What's the current price of Enjin coin, what's the price changes occur in the Enjin coin, and what is the next target of Enjin coin. In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and update friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Enjin coin. 2.52 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Enjin coin. Same like that, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Enjin coin, so the price changes is going positive friends. The last 1 hour and the last 1 day, the both changes are positive friends, and only the last 7 day, the last 1 week price change as negative friends. Why the last 1 day price change as negative friends? That's only one reason. As you know, today is the first week of the of the new month friends. That is why due to the start of new month friends, that is why they falls down friends. Let's see the price chart of Enjin coin. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart. Price changes occur in the Enjin coin. If we talk about the price changes occur in the Enjin coin, so positive 2.38%, positive changes occur in the Enjin coin, and the highest price is about 2.7072 USD dollar is the highest price of Enjin coin in the last one day period friends. Same like that, if we talk about the current price, so the current price is about 2.52 USD dollar friends. And if you look the price chart of the Enjin coin, so the price chart tell us that, as you can see here, take a jump, and after a fast take a fast down friends. After a fast there is jump friends. If we do a technical analysis friends, so as you can see here, let's suppose that is a support line and that is a resistance line friends. Take a jump, and after a jump again fast down friends. That is the common phenomena, and now they again take a jump. As you can see here, they take a long-term jump friends. So that's mean that after this jump they gradually move upward friends, gradually trying to move upward friends. And I hope that they take a jump friends, and I hope that they can break this resistance level. And as you know, when the resistance level break, so that's mean that the big pump, the big jump occurs at this time friends. So I hope that in the future they can easily break the resistance level, and the resistance level become support friends. What's your opinion about Enjin coin? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much.